Alright, I'm back with another video. I've been on a roll here getting some videos out to you guys. This one's going to be a short one, just updates on the pink 67. I actually just pulled the engine out of storage where I had it to get that prepped to send it off to get that rebuilt, which I'll tell you about that once I show you it. It's outside, and just to go over some of the other parts that I have for the drive line. But you just seen front and rear glass. Hopefully that helps some people. And also, real quick, I didn't mention in there, but you want to put your window clips in. If you saw in the video, you can see they were all in. You want to put those in before you put the glass in, because some of them, if they're missing, they sell screw-on style, which is what that one is. You drill a hole and you actually just screw the window clip on it. They make a certain one for that. So you want to make sure they're in before you put your glass in. But just to show you the drive line, I pieced everything together here and was just making sure that I have everything. And I gathered everything that is actually date stamped that would be correct for this car. So that's pretty cool. That's why I went to Maryland. I'm in PA, wasn't that far, but Maryland I went to get that transmission, because it is actually dated for April of '67, and this car is a early May build. So that worked out awesome. I'm going to be taking this stuff up to my dad's, who owns the teal 66 that I restored. If you didn't see that video from a Hershey, he went for his national award. I restored that car completely, but that transmission is rebuilt. We're going to go through it again. The reason for, I want to powder coat the housings on it, because yes, I'm extreme on these kind of things, but in the end you'll see the difference in comparison, just how much cleaner it will be. So I'm going to have my dad take it apart, because he's more of that type of person to be able to rebuild the transmission. So he's going to go through it, give me the housings, I'll powder coat them, and give them back to him. He'll put the transmission together. But all this stuff I just have to blast. The bell housing, intake manifold, exhaust manifolds, they're all correct, and they all look in really good shape. So those pieces I'll powder coat. The intake, the bell housing, exhaust manifolds I'm going to just coat with some exhaust paint to be correct. Engine is stamped correct. It's a real early May block. Just pumped and just figured I'd show you guys what I got going on here, to show you everything is moving along. So the car is going to get put together here slowly over the next months here. So reason why I'm showing this, engine's on a skid. That's going to my dad's. He is a Jasper engines and transmissions dealer. So I'm taking it up to his place to then get shipped off to Jasper engines and transmissions. No, this is not sponsored by them. For them to rebuild the engine. That way it's done by the professionals. It comes with a warranty, 3-year, 100,000 miles. Not like I'm going to put any real amount of miles on it within 3 years, but at least it is guaranteed then. And being this is a correct block for my car, I can send this exact block out to them, and as long as it specs out okay and they can rebuild it, they will rebuild this block. So I'll send this one out and I'll get this one back. Same with the cylinder heads. If they can reuse them and rebuild them, they will. So everything will stay the same and original to the car, which I'm thrilled about. So that's what I'm doing, sending that stuff out. Dad's getting transmission, getting that done. Jasper Engines getting the engine, and then I'll clean up all the pieces, powder coat them. And when we get them back, I'll put them together and assemble everything. But that's it. I just wanted to fill you in on the engine, transmission, everything's moving along. I'm pretty pumped about getting it together. So stay tuned for some more install videos on the pink car. And if you haven't checked out the Shelby replica build that I'm doing, 67, be sure to check out those videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.